Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about Terra Luna. If you have not been paying attention to the chart, the whole crypto market just had a very strong meltdown in the past 4 hours, including all the major altcoins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, same as Terra Luna. Now Terra Luna has been changed. The blockchain name now is Terra Luna Classic. There are massive exchanges starting to show their support towards Terra 2.0, and there is a lot to talk about today. But before we get into it, if you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Luna, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video for the YouTube algorithm to push the video out to more people. More people see the incredible side of Luna, they decide to buy into it, decide to push their trust back into it, get the airdrop, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart, and I want to show you guys something that is really crucial for the people who have not been paying attention. Terra has been officially changed to Terra Classic, or some people like to say Terra Original. Now Terra Classic change actually brought a very interesting move to the whole crypto market. That includes Bitcoin, Ethereum. As you guys can see, as I'm recording this video, Bitcoin has fallen below the extreme support close to 29k, and Ethereum has fallen below 1.8k. At this point, Luna also had a very strong dip, and now we have broken the support which a lot of people were expecting it to bounce off. And as you guys can see, compared to the previous lower low, this lower low has gone a slightly bit below. Now it is not only Luna's fault, it is obviously the whole crypto market, including all the major altcoins, as Bitcoin is showing a rally that might actually take it all the way down to the next support, which is close to 26,000. Also on the RSI line, you guys can see we're going back into the zone where we will be in an oversold period. Another thing which is a little bit scarier is you can see the trading volume has increased, but the shorters, or you can say the bears, have entered back into the market a little bit higher compared to the bulls, and this could mean that we might be testing another strong support, which is right here, as you guys can see. And if this support is broken in the near future, we do not have anything supporting us from going all the way down to 13, which is going to be a pretty strong decline for a lot of you guys, because I know a lot of you guys are expecting the release of the new Terra 2.0 to be a strong pull-up for Terra or Classic as well. And as you guys can see, Bitcoin is about to fall below 28k. Another thing which I want to show you guys, which is really crazy, is look at the trading volume. The trading volume keeps climbing. Right now it is nearly at 1 billion, and you can see the trading volume to the market cap ratio has just touched 100%. And on the other hand, the market cap keeps dipping stronger and stronger as the price keeps going down. Now, Terra 2.0 will be releasing tomorrow, and I know a lot of you guys are excited for it, but you need to understand that the airdrops are going to be very crucial, as if it's not sent to everyone, that will be a little concerning, as a lot of people are going to be very mad tomorrow, and that will be seen on Twitter. If it is done all perfectly, then obviously there will be no problem at all. But how are they going to send it to exchanges that do not list Terra 2.0? Because if you guys have not paid attention, there are a lot of different exchanges that denied trying to have Korean, or let's just say trying to have Terra 2.0 being added in. As you can see, Korean exchange K-Orbit denies Terra 2.0, while KuCoin, Bitfinex, FTX, and other top exchanges confirm Terra 2.0 support. And also Binance also said that they will be adding Terra 2.0 and supporting it, and if they do decide to support it, it will be much easier for most of my viewers, because I know most of you guys do use Binance, and that's where you guys will receive your airdrop. But if you guys do use any of the other exchanges such as KuCoin, Bitfinex, then you are not in trouble as well. But if you do use an external wallet such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask, that will be a different story, as it would have to be added on all the blockchain before it can be delivered to you. I know a lot of you guys are excited to see Terra 2.0 release and what sort of performance it will have early game, but seeing that the market is in a downtrend right now, it's going to be a very shaky start for Terra 2.0. Let's just say that as the least thing we can say. Another thing which I want to mention is on the 1 hour chart, it looks very shaky. That's probably the best word. As you guys can see, the past 4 hours, the momentum has been very strong, because in the past 4 hours we have had from there to there. That's close to a 25% movement in just 4 hours. That is a pretty extreme volatile market, so I do want to give you guys a little bit of a disclaimer. Be very cautious if you guys are trading on 100x leverage, or if you're just trading it in general, because you can actually lose quite a bit of money, as 25% is a very volatile market, including Bitcoin, Ethereum. Just be very careful in terms of how you're going to be entering these markets and how you're going to be seeing the future. Another thing is Upbit drumps support for the new Luna airdrop. Now, Upbit announces support for the new Luna airdrop, Transform Lab to reward traders with the new Luna token. Upbit will not support trading of the new Luna token. So this is really interesting, because Upbit has been a very good supporter, but right now they're going to be showing support, but they will not be allowing trading yet. But over time they're going to be allowing it. It's just very confusing. That's why I wanted to mention this. And at the same time, the whole market is taking a scary dip, as you guys can see, after the change from Terra Luna to Terra Luna Classic. I personally think this has had a very heavy impact on the market, as everyone's being very close attention to Terra. And as you guys can see, that over here it confirms that Binance is one of the supporters, and if you have any token in Binance such as UST, or you have Luna before the crash, you guys are going to be receiving it on Binance. And personally, I'm just excited. That's probably the most obvious word to use, but overall I'm just so excited to see how they're going to be playing out. Is there going to be a lot of trouble? Because I think there is going to be so many problems, because there are so many different people that the airdrop has to reach in time, and if a lot of people decide to sell straight away, that is going to have a very negative impact as well. Just what happened to ApeCoin, if you guys remember. Luna's research and information you need to know ahead of the launch. Terra Luna 2.0 will be launched as a new blockchain. The airdrop is open to investors holding shares in one of the 7 eligible UST and US and Luna brackets. This is likely too little too late, as crypto markets are in full bear mode. I mean, this is what's scary for me as well. Seeing the market starting to crash the day before the release of Terra 2.0, I just think it will be very scary to see what sort of response it will have from the whole of the community. And finally, I want to show you guys this more systematic risk. The stablecoin fallout could be starting as the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Luna, Solana, Cardano, XRP sink. So will USDT, BUSD, USDC, will they have a fallout just like UST? Personally, I don't think it's going to happen, but if the regulations are added on the stablecoins as the market is crashing, this could be a little scary, because how much reserve are they going to be able to use to try to keep the stable token stable, as UST had that problem due to the fact that there was attack. So could there be an attack on USDT? That would be incredible and insane. Not incredible, but I just think that would be just absurd if USDT decided to crash and depeg. That would be one of the downfalls of crypto market, in my opinion. But I really hope that something like that does not happen, because it is a lot more reliable compared to UST. That's probably the best word. You can let me know down in the comment section. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.